Thinking about switching from spreadsheets or docs to something smarter? In this video we're comparing Airtable versus Notion, two powerful tools for organizing your work and life. So Airtable is like a spreadsheet, but on steroids. You get the power of Excel with flexibility of a database. It's perfect for teams who deal with structured data, like content calendars, product tracking, or CRM pipelines. It offers multiple views like grid, Kanban, calendar, and even event guard, and even Gantt, all backed by real-time collaboration. So in pros, we have relational databases, custom workflows with automations, great API support. In cons, can get pricey on higher tiers, learning curve if you're not used to databases. Now let us discuss Notion. So on the other hand, this one is a all-in-one workspace. It combines docs, wikis, project management, and databases in one clean UI. It's incredibly flexible. You can use it for personal productivity, team dashboards, or documentation. Notion's databases are simpler than Airtable's, but easier to use for most people. Pros and cons. Rich page content, text, images, embeds. Easy database style tables, excellent for note-taking and wikis. Not ideal for complex data relationships, slower performance with large databases. Now, performance. So which one is better? Choose Airtable if your priority is data structure, automation, and project tracking. Go with Notion if you want a flexible all-in-one workspace for everything from notes to task boards. So let me know in the comments which one fits your workflow, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tool breakdowns.